Hello, and welcome back to our first video of our Introduction to Python series. In this particular video, we'll be looking at our first Python program. So, this is a simple Python program that prints out hello world. So, the moment you run this, you write this down and you run it in a Python interpreter. This is the output of the code. So, let's take a deep dive into this code and then what it means. So print is a function in Python. When we say a function is a block of code that performs a specific task. A block of code that performs a specific task. So the print is a Python function which basically brings out or outputs to your word whatever you have inside here. So print followed by the parentheses. So we set syntax, the rules that govern how you use codes or how you construct something. So in Python, anytime you use the function print, you must have these two parentheses, else your code is going to return an error. Okay. And then inside here, you have double quotation marks. In Python, anytime you see double quotation mark, it considers everything here as string. Everything here becomes a string. Then we end it with this. This is so here, the hello world here becomes a string. So everything that is here gets outputted to our outside world. So this is going to be the output of this code. Remember, we said Python is very easier and it's simple to read. So from this simple code, you could say that there is something happening here. There is something being printed, probably a test here. And then here we could see that the test is the hello world string or hello world test, which at the end is being output here. Yeah.